You working for Red Seed? What do you want? Okay. Give me Uncle Shibia. Yes, good job! Uncle Shibia! Hey, one more. Hey, give me Uncle Shibia. Nope. Uncle Shibia. Who is it? Uncle Shibia. Say Shibia. Say Uncle. Uncle. Say Uncle.
Mama.
No, say Uncle.
Mama.
Try again. Uncle. That's right. That's right. Uncle. Okay. What do you want?
Mama.
What do you want? You want Mom? We can work for Mom. And what else do you want?
Mama.
Do you want Red Seed?
Yes.
Yes. Good. We'll work for Red Seed. Okay. Give me Uncle Shibia. Yay! That's right. Uncle Shibia. Now that was a proximity prompt. I put it closer to her. Okay, are you ready? Say yes. Okay. 1, 2. Give me Uncle Shibia.
Mom.
Wow, good talking. Okay. And you're also in front of her with the camera too, so. Okay, are you ready? You want more? Do you want Red Seed? I know you're really working hard for that Red Seed. Do you want it? You want some? Oh, do you want 2 Red Seed? Okay, we'll work for 2. Give me Uncle Shibia. Yay! You get 2 Red Seed. Uncle Shibia. Who is it? Uncle Shibia. That's right. How many Red Seed? How many? That's right, 2. Good job.